Welcome to our new house diaries. Today I'm going to be sharing the guest room with you. This space was so much fun to decorate, and I already had pretty much everything for it except for the comforter and a new set of sheets. But I just got those from Ross and from Walmart. This cream colored comforter came from Walmart, and the cream sheets came from Ross. So it was just a very inexpensive, basically we put this room together, and everything else I already had. So, or it came with the house. So for instance, these shears on this window, I just love. They were part of one of my daughter's rooms that they were already on the windows. She didn't like them. I love them, and because I'm doing more of the cream and the blue within this room, I thought that it would be perfect. If you would like to see number 6 of the New House Diaries, which will be released next week, you can see it early over on Patreon right now, which we have made some more adjustments to the dining room. I took in a lot of advice that I got from all of the comments, and I am really happy with the end result. So if you're interested in seeing that ahead of time, please head over to Patreon. So I wanted to share some of the pieces with you that I have in here and why I chose to go with them. For instance, this little nightstand over here, it's just a pedestal nightstand. This made it to where I could actually open up these bifold doors right here without it touching it. So this is why I went with this round one. And as you can see, this is a full-size bed. It seems kind of on the small side, but we don't have a queen. I think if we found something else maybe for us, maybe the next bed we would get would be a king size, then we could put our queen in here. But for now, this is perfect. We already had this bed, and it was actually a secondhand find. And the lady that sold it to me said that it was an antique. It was very old, and all I did was paint it a while ago when I had a blue room that I was decorating for my daughter. And at that time, I actually purchased this bedding set, and I ended up giving it to one of my sisters. And so recently I asked her if I gave her my jewelry box, would she please give me back that set that I let her have? So she said, of course. My mom brought it, and now I have an extra set to use in here. But I really do like having just the breakup of, the colors. So this cream color comforter, which I got at Walmart recently for this room. It came with 2 pillow shams, and so if I do ever, you know, use the floral comforter for here, then I would likely put those, you know, the cream on there just as an accent pillow and so on. So this was just, like I said, a lot of fun to put together. This blue blanket right here, I already had this. It's just been a very inexpensive way to decorate this room and to pull everything together. Something else that I love is just being able to look out the window and seeing roses and just a beautiful sight. So that is also a benefit, that it overlooks the backyard. Now the other thing that I have in here is my secretary desk that has this glass hutch on it, and I just think that it's perfect for this space. It brings in some warmth, and one of these chairs, I have a total of 6, so 4 are in the kitchen nook area, and you know, I have a couple of extras that I can just put around the house. So I thought that one would be really well used in here. Now, another thing that I have found that I've been doing in this room is using it as an office space just to do some editing, or, you know, just another desk to sit at. And that way it's not just going to be a room that, you know, we only use for guests. I will also be able to use it to be able to just, you know, do some editing in and just doing some of my work in. So that was a benefit too. And it's just another beautiful place to be in for me. That is really it when it comes to this guest room. Of course, I have a lot of storage space in here, which I just love. So I put some extra fresh towels on the top, and then there's a lot of space for bedding and stuff, but I don't have any of the extra bedding really in here yet, just a couple of shams. This also has a bathroom, and so I didn't really do much in there just yet, but I will be doing a little bit more today. But first and foremost, I wanted to share this room with you. I hope that this video inspired you in some way. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.